Hello beautiful peoples, welcome back to my YouTube channel Style Sense. Now, I show you the best and trending stiletto high heels moves. This is very trending in 2024. High heels pumps are a timeless and iconic style of shoe that exude elegance and sophistications characterized by a sleek, close-to and slender heel pumps or visual shoes that can complete wide range of outfit for formal prone to business areas and totally made for luxury materials such as leather, stained high heels pumps are designed to make a statement with their sleek stilettos and dramatic high boost. Whether you're dressing up for special occasions or simply want to add a touch of glamorous to your everyday look, high heels pumps are classic choice that every goes out of style with their ability to augment the leg and create a confident stride. It not wonder how high heels pumps remain a staple in many women's shoes. High heel pumps are a staple in women's fashion, renowned for their sleek design, comfort, and versatility, and typically range in height from 2 to 5 inches. These shoes feature a close-to and a slender heel, creating streamlined stilettos that lengths that leg and add a touch of sophistication to any outfit. Made from a variety of materials including luxuries, leathers, and satins and metallic fusions. High heels pumps can be dressed up or down to suit any occasions. Whether you're wearing a formal gown, a business suit, and little black dress pumps are the perfect choice to elevate your style. Make a statement with their comfortable design and sportive insoles. High heels pumps can be worn for extended periods without compromising on styles or comfort. From classic black and nude to blood colors and statement designs, high heels pumps are a must-have in every woman's shoes. For a lot about high heel pumps are masterclass in elegance and refinement, boasting a sleek, similar design that we competing festivities of centers. With their close to and slender high heels typically range from any high lengths. And if you like my video, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share my video with other social media accounts. And if you wanted to say something, just comment below. And if you buy this online, so visit amazon.com, aliexpress.com and away.com. Bye dear friends, have a good day.